got this, y'all. We're gonna be making cupcakes. We're using Stormy's. We're gonna be making Stormy's Grinch Cupcake. Kim Kardashian's daughter. So we're gonna try to make the cupcakes that she made today. We got our ingredients here, and we have all our little Grinch helpers. We got Jay's. We got J1, Jayla, Jaden, Jaya. She's doing whatever she want to do right now, and Mommy. All right, so. So bear with us, y'all. We're gonna start this up. This. Oh my God, I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're about to try. May, we need this. She wanna hold this. We need it. You got the whisk.
Oh, don't you dare drop it. It's glass.
OMG. Okay, y'all. So we're about to make these cupcakes. Let's see how this do. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right, y'all. So the first thing we need is one whole and a half of butter. So here we go. We're gonna use this bowl first. Jace, you ready?
Yeah.
Because the butter is on your side.
We need 2 butter.
Here's one butter. Look, you gotta stand up, baby. We don't need the sprinkles yet. We need the butter. Say butter. All right.
It's cold butter. Let's open it.
So we're gonna open the butter. You gonna put it in there? This is Jace's. Everybody gonna have something to do. Okay, you got your butter? All right.
Okay,
Wait a minute. We need
what?
a half.
A half. So we cut it?
And 1/2.
So she got the butter knife.
Yes, I got a butter knife, guys. So letting Jason. All right, so you ready? Jaya, what's wrong? You gotta cut right here, okay? Uh-oh. Gotta open it a little bit. We had to cut on the line so we can know where to cut it. See that? Then we're gonna knock it in there. Got that? All right, let's sit the butter knife down. Now you gotta use, look at me. I need my thing.
There's butter in here. You guys can see it.
All right, so what we're gonna do now is use our hand mixer and mix up our butter. I'll let you do it too, J1.
I think you need a little bit of milk in there. You need milk in there.
I need
You need milk in there.
Y'all look at the butter. Oh my God.
You did it wrong. Look at the thing right.
I think, look.
No, it says butter and sugar.
Okay, so leave it right there. I don't know.
You gotta scoop that down.
I'm gonna scoop it down. Leave it alone. Okay.
Okay, what is wrong?
It said 1 and 1/2 cup of sugar. All right, Jaya got the cup. Come on, Jaya, it's your turn.
Okay.
Up, stand up. You gonna do the sugar? Put these back in the box, please. We don't need this dye everywhere. Just move the dye from the table. And this for now. Jaya, are you gonna do the sugar?
I'll do
J1,
it.
back up. Stop. Okay, don't do it. Get out. I don't care no more.
Okay, we gotta start.
No, we don't. I'm gonna let you do something. You gotta wait your turn. The baby's going first.
At 1 point, yeah.
Let Jaya pour it.
Here, you pour
Wait,
it.
let me make sure we got 1 cup. Okay.
I'm gonna help you there, man, okay? No, don't touch the sugar. Don't eat it. You're gonna have a sugar rush.
Come on. Pour the sugar. Let her, Jayla. Jayla, back up. Come on, May. Pour the sugar. May.
Pour it.
Pour it.
Pour.
All right. We need 1 and 1/2. Okay, Jace. Hold the blender, okay? Hold it. Don't let it fall.
Okay.
Wait. Jay leaving too? Okay.
This time with mine.
Ooh, Jaden. Yeah. Girl, it's sugar.
Mommy.
She wanna pour it. She wanna pour it. She wanna pour it. Come
Yeah.
on. Come on, May. Hold your blender, Jace. You in charge of the blender. All right, we got the sugar.
Okay.
All right, Jace, blend it up. See what happens. Yeah.
These are gonna be horrible cupcakes.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, these are.
These ain't right. Okay.
These are gonna be
I don't even remember what they put first. Okay.
We put butter and sugar. Now eggs. I think you need to put milk in there. We need eggs.
We is gonna put milk.
We need eggs.
Okay, next it says 4 eggs.
Alright, 4 eggs. Who's in charge of the eggs? Me. I wanna do the eggs. Okay, we're gonna do the eggs.
Okay, shh. Let Jay hold it.
Here's your bottle. Can I do the eggs?
Wait a minute. I got 2. Please don't crack none.
Because these are very
We got 4 eggs. Wait, and I will let you crack them, Joe.
Bamba, you want to get down? Yeah.
Girl, what is you doing? Stop.
Here.
Because you got it on your back.
Let's go cut it.
All right, let's crack the eggs.
Okay. No, we'll do this one. We got even the eggs.
Jawan, it's not going to crack them. You have to crack it on the side of the table. Jace, wait. Let Jawan crack because he going to die if he don't do something. Go ahead and crack the eggs. And you better not get no shells in it. You better not get no shells. I think I was supposed to put the eggs in the butter.
Exactly.
It don't matter. Just come on. Y'all ain't letting me think.
There we go.
You should have had a bag already. Go get a bag. Go get a... No.
That was cool.
Crack another one. Go. It's 4.
Okay.
Put it in there.
The milk.
Jody, you gonna do the milk?
Oh.
Don't get no shells, Jawan.
Another.
Come on.
I'm checking if there's shells. I'm the shell.
Go ahead. Crack. Keep going. Here. One more.
Yeah. Hope I don't get the shells in there.
Boy. Ooh.
Yup.
All right, come on. Go wash your hands off and just keep this to put it on the hang it
Okay,
on the
so
door.
Jace is the blender.
All right, Jace, you the blender. Come on. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, there we go.
You need to add egg first. That would make the butter real good.
Y'all, we getting somewhere now.
Yeah. At first, she was getting nowhere with the butter.
Ooh, great. All right, Jason's doing great with the blending.
And the butter's gone off the switch thingy.
Yes, Jace blended that up nice. Okay, next we did butter, sugar, eggs. Now we need vanilla extract.
And we need egg.
Yeah, just do 2.
Can I pour that?
We might do 3 because I wanted the taste get a good flavor. Girl, put some more. You always fill it up. All right. Okay.
We all can pour.
Okay, we're gonna do one more. Because we like a little flavor.
Yeah.
Hope it don't be too vanilla-y. Okay. A little bit more.
Okay. The whole thing.
All right. Okay, pour it 2.
Okay.
Ooh,
All right. Now, did you just buy this?
No.
Oh, we've been having it.
Okay, now we need...
To blend.
Okay.
That is brown.
Okay, wait a minute, okay?
I got eggs.
Okay.
You should have laid Jason in his bed. He just has
Woo, Jesus. All right, Jace, you gonna mix this? All right.
They made the vanilla extract. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
That's good.
Yep, for now. Okay, next we're gonna do... It's like 3 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay.
Wait a minute, we're gonna do 3 cups of flour. Jayla, are you gonna do this?
I want to do that one.
Okay, you're doing the flour next. So
Okay, so I have to use the big one or this one?
no, we're gonna use this cup thing right here.
Okay.
Go rinse this out, please, because I think Jayla already took. Okay, hurry up, girl. It just need a rinse. It was already clean. It's not that serious.
Okay. Do this.
Wait, May.
I want to pull it.
Okay, wait a
You want
minute,
me to
Jay.
lay Jason down?
No, Jay's doing this. All right, we need 3 cups. Is that right?
Yeah.
3 cups of flour.
Okay.
All-purpose unbleached flour.
Jessica's 2 turns.
Jace, don't let us make that fall.
Okay, is this it? Right here?
I said we're using this. Don't you see me pouring this?
Yeah.
In here.
Okay.
We're going to mix the baking powder and stuff up in here. Okay. Hold it. Jace, we're going to pour it over there. Give me a second, okay?
And then we both can. There's another one.
Oh,
Did you get on Jaden's bottle?
oh,
Yeah.
Jaden!
Let go! Ooh, No, get it! What's that? Mommy, get it. You don't got it everywhere.
Here, let me sit up.
Get it, Mommy.
Jaden got
Bad.
flour on him. Somebody go get a wipe right there.
Okay. Alright, so I got it.
Okay.
Mommy, can I do this for the thing?
Wait a minute. Thank you. Jaya, where are you at?
Right here, getting her head stuck. Well, actually, I don't have anything else to do.
Jace, let May stand with you,
I
okay?
got this mix.
Be careful, okay? Don't make your sister
Are you
fall,
ready?
okay?
Jace?
No, we're not ready.
I poured the milk.
All right, so. All right, stop. Next we need, y'all not listening. Next we need,
Milk.
how much milk it say?
3,
No.
4.
It say 1 and 1/4.
Yeah, one. I poured the milk. One for me too.
Help her.
I got it. Oh. And then I can do that one. Just stop.
Stop, May.
And then I can do that one. Get that knife from her, Joanne.
It's a butter knife. I got her.
No, I can do it.
J1 and Jayla,
You
please.
gotta put some on this side.
Okay, whatever. All right, Jace, you ready?
I gotta put some.
All right.
Okay, now, Jace, we're about to pour this in there.
We gotta blend it first.
Okay.
Oh, wait, May. All right, Jace, where your blender?
What there?
You said, I don't know. Okay, come on.
Shake it.
You gonna blend?
Nope.
You
Can
not?
I blend? Yeah.
Mm.
And I hope. Nope.
Oh, we unplugged. Wait. Make sure it's off.
Okay.
All right.
Now we can turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on. You're not gonna hold it right.
It's going everywhere! Stop!
Oh, give me your spoon.
I got it.
Hold it. You holding it.
Okay.
Hurry up. Jail, sit down.
I'm holding it.
All right.
I gotta mix it over here. Mommy, you gotta mix it down here.
I know. Hold on.
Oh, I can see the baking soda. Now we're gonna do this.
Jayla, don't let Jayla open that. All right, Jay. Hold on. Almost. No, I'm not doing it. You want to eat it? You don't want to eat it? You think it's going to be nasty?
Me too. Because we get it wrong. Wait. Oh, we're making Grinch Cupcakes.
Okay.
Whoa.
We might need some more green. Just give me a second.
We got some more green here.
All right, let's put some more. 1, 2.
1, 2. 1, 2.
All right.
Okay, that was really good there. Yeah, because I put 1 a little bit more. Because I put 3 on
I
accident.
keep unplugging it. Come
Scoot
on.
over then. I can't. I want to sit down.
Okay. Go ahead, they want to do yours. 3, 1, 2, 3.
I put 3 anyway.
We don't want to put too much because we don't want it to take the taste out. Then we don't need no more of that neon one.
Okay. We don't want it to take the taste out. That would taste blah blah. I'm hungry.
Green, do you like it? Now that looks Grinch green, don't it?
Yeah. But I think the Grinch is much lighter. I think the Grinch is much lighter than that. Come on, you want to go lay down? Yeah.
Jayla, no. Here's go to sleep in just a second. Jace, I thought you liked green. You don't like the color green?
Ah! Ooh,
Right.
yummy. Meanie. Got the oven preheated.
On what? Do y'all remember?
No.
350.
350. Wait.
Go ahead and start lining the pan.
Okay. Wait. Does that mean put the stuff in the pan?
Come on, boy, get over here. Your little nappy head.
I'm not napped. I'm dyeing my fingers. I'm dyeing my fingers. Me too.
Jace, you'll get colors again later, okay?
You think green was good on my fingers if I'm a Grinch? Do I like it? So come on over here. So look, we got the pan.
Jay, were you eating butter?
We got this full. Yes, she was.
Oh my gosh.
Look, so guys, we got this full. Alright, now
All right, stop.
we got that full. We got our cupcake.
All right.
And there's a spill.
Oh. Okay,
Mommy.
stop trying to be funny. All right, I'm about to put these in the oven, guys.
You want me to bring the camera over there?
No,
She put
I
them
got it. I mean, if
I-
it's
Mommy, let's see how these turns out.
all right, so we got that in the oven. What we're gonna do now is clean up our mess. They about to start washing dishes up in here.
What?
And then we're gonna get back to you when our cupcakes get done, guys.
Bye.
Boy,
This is not right.
possibly, I just want y'all to taste the cupcake first.
Okay.
Just taste a piece. We're gonna put some more in the oven.
Hey.
Oh,
Not the best. Not the best, but good. They don't have any taste. Yeah, it
so wait, come here. We need to put some more sugar.
Yeah.
Y'all think so?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put more sugar. We got some more batter right here, so we're gonna put some more sugar in it and then do them again. All right, so look, I tried to tweak it and put more sugar in there because the kids said it was nasty and that. And this is what happened, y'all. Now what I'm supposed to do with this? Jay?
Well, I don't know.
Jayla, let them come see. Jayla, y'all. Oh.
The first one.
Those are the first cupcake. This what happened when I put more sugar. Back up, it's still hot.
Oh.
So what we supposed to do with this?
I don't know. Sell it to the homeless people.
What?
Sell it to the homeless people.
Sell it. They can
Sell
have it.
it? You want to get us to the homeless?
Yeah.
They want to. They didn't even bake right. I don't think you can add more sugar. It messed the recipe up. So
You know what these in our cupcakes now. Yeah. We got
y'all can
sprinkles.
come closer.
Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, scoop. Come on. Alright, so guys, we got our stuff. We
All right,
got
they're gonna
our
decorate
cupcakes.
these cupcakes the first round because the second round didn't turn out right.
I know. You don't even want to see it.
Chill out.
No, you don't. It's so bad. We thought it could have more sugar, but it can't. It mess up the recipe. Yeah. So these might be less sugar in it. Yeah, less sugar. It has less sugar.
We probably supposed to put some more other stuff.
And I'll open this. But less sugar in cupcakes is disgusting.
We tore that up. We don't know how to bake. So who's gonna learn how to bake around here?
Me. Bad cooker. I'm the greatest cooker around here.
Jace, you
I
ready?
cooked before. Look, I just. So which one are you using? This one? I just opened the sprinkles. Oh, the swirly one? I'm get up.
Stand up.
Stand up. How do you spray?
Which one yours?
No,
This one yours. This one yours.
I guess we start from right there. Mommy, why are you shivering?
I'm just trying to figure out.
Why did you buy that?
Oh, wait, maybe it's not. Oh, it wasn't all around there either.
Exactly. Oh.
Look at that, Jace.
Yeah. Wow.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's so good. I already opened the sprinkles, okay?
You gotta go all the way around.
That looks like whipped cream. I just need to eat it. No. Yeah, that is whipped cream. I need to eat it.
All right, let Jace get some icing. Sprinkles. Jace, you want sprinkles? Okay, shake it on in.
Wow. Is that cuz?
How do you spray?
How do you spray?
Is that enough?
Oh, you're supposed to hold it. Whoa.
Good?
Yeah, Daddy, come.
Okay. All right,
Daddy,
Jace.
come do this. How do you spray?
Wait a minute.
Daddy. Okay, how do you spray?
You tilt it to the side. How you want to go around like Jace?
Yeah. I want to go around that to the top. Yeah, like that. Like all the way to the top.
Y'all not getting too much because we did just have cupcakes.
And around there.
No.
What?
I didn't mean to get him that much.
Let me have that. No.
Here.
You just had to take his. You thought it was whipped cream?
This sucks.
Here.
I'm not good at this.
This mine? Yeah.
No, he got one.
It's messy. I want that. Give me that. Give me ice cream.
Put his down. What are you doing?
Now put it in.
Boy.
I can't breathe anymore.
I'm sorry.
Don't do that to me.
All right, go wipe your face off, Joanne. No cake.
Daddy's just the best one decorating cake.
We need a cake decorating class around here.
Daddy's the best. He learned.
Where he learned how to decorate a cake at, though?
Remember last year when he made those cupcakes for your baby shower?
No, I don't.
Did you look?
What cupcakes? What did come do these?
Please.
I don't know what y'all talking about.
Eat them.
Yep, and that's it. Don't I say
Do mine.
that? You got one.
Not there. Look.
All right,
Look
guys.
what she did to mine.
How y'all think they turned out?
Good. Mine, I didn't even get mine. Now I put more sprinkles. Get mine like that. My sprinkles.
Jace, is it good?
I guess that other one could be for Dana.
She ain't think. Ooh.
You took my frosting.
Good, Jace? Yummy. Ooh.
What's that?
All right, J1, that's enough, Mr. Cavity.
Yay.
How does it taste?
I don't know. Good.
Good?
Okay. That's frosting. No, the whole thing is good.
Good?
Yeah, it is.
J1, the cake good?
I like these sprinkles. Yeah.
So, Grinch Cupcakes, y'all like?
Yeah.
Want to do some more?
Yeah.
Jace, you want to do more? Did you like making the cupcake?
Next time we might can make like red cupcakes for Santa. Yeah, Santa cupcake. Did you ever think of that? I thought of
No.
it.
Because who's Santa in this house?
Daddy.
No.
Daddy.
No.
Mommy. Daddy. And Daddy.
And me. Period. Just me.
Daddy and Mommy. Just Daddy and Mommy. Yeah.
Who went Christmas shopping?
Daddy.
Jayla, who went Christmas shopping?
Mommy.
Okay, then.
But Daddy's still Santa.
No, how? How can Daddy be Santa if he didn't even go Christmas shopping?
We bought him presents last year. He's still Santa.
J1, stop playing with me. Put the sprinkles down.
Mr. Cabin. Maybe we need sugar-free cupcakes this time. Never. We get sugar-free cupcakes. I want a sugar-free.
Where'd Jace go?
He got.
Jace, you done? Huh? Are you done? Don't leave out this kitchen with that. All right, get
all the butter out. I have to use this thing. Oh, yeah. Jella, this is ready.